government produced an order whereby government has decided to withdraw the requisition for filling up of this direct recruitment to the post of DYSP. That was taken on record by the High Court, and High Court has disposed of the petition, saying that these selections are not going to happen now, as a result of which presently there is no cause of action for these people who had challenged this direct recruitment. So the petitions have been disposed of on the basis of the order of the government recalling the requisition of these posts.
So why this order has been recalled or withdrawn, sir?
See, basically what has happened is there is a movement, or there is a process for change of the recruitment rules, and these vacancies, according to us, will have to be filled up based on those change recruitment rules. There is an issue about the age limit, etc. The government is reviewing the entire thing, and based on that, the government will take a call about changing the rules, and thereafter these vacancies are required to be filled in.